Okay, a vlogging test with GoPro Hero 6. Now I'm walking to the ferry terminal. It looks like this. It's actually a beautiful one. That's the Queen's Bridge over there. And I'm heading to Astoria. Yeah. Alright. I hope the sound is actually working because according to my comparison tests, the sound was terrible. So I love the footage. It's a lot better than both the 5. Of course, a lot better than Hero 5 sessions. But the sound was, oh my god. I tried to boost the sound using the... Oh, this thing is shaking. This thing is floating. Oh, that's okay. Anyways, it is mostly a sound test. Now we have also some wind. I hope that it is blocking the wind as effectively as possible. And let me show you around. At least, you know, that's the best thing about GoPro Hero 6. So at least let's do that. Here we are. Here's the UN building. And let's run to the other side. Yep. This side is actually the Astoria side. No, sorry, this side is actually East 34th side. This is where we are. This is Long Island City. And this is Long Island City's coolest vlogger. People are coming out. So, these tickets are usable, right? I didn't yet. I'll just click once. Yes. Alright, thank you. You want to go up? I mean, I don't mind because I'm taking video. Okay, let's go up. Are we allowed? Yeah, seems like we are. Woo! I like the view already. Okay, maybe I should wear this so the strap, my GoPro Hero 6 does not taste the waters of this place. Oh, look, I have actually a model, which is even better. Vamos! Second floor. There's okay. There's one person here. Hi. Good. You? Okay. Will the captain say hello? Maybe. No, captain is really busy. Next up will be Roosevelt Island, and that was our captain speaking.
So, sometime I want to go to Roosevelt Island.
For what?
Just to see it. I haven't ever been
Well,
there.
you'll see it now.
I know, but just go there. I don't know.
Okay.
Walk.
I'm also testing the sound, so it's good that we are talking. Hello, we're gonna go to the Roosevelt Island. We've been there quite a lot of times with Isaac because the tennis courts are there.
Yeah, I know. I don't think there's much else to do.
No. Well, there's one restaurant, and some people are going there for running.
Yeah.
It's a thing. You know, they run around the island. It's actually very scenic.
So how long is it, like, to run back and forth?
That is the that I don't know. I don't know the length of the track, but they are doing 5Ks, 10Ks all the time.
Yeah. So the other models don't have the screen.
No, some models do, but my previous one didn't. This one has a screen.
That must be quite.
Well, you get to point, like, you learn to aim it, you know? It's not that difficult, but of course this is better. Long Island City. 50R Memorial, UN building, Chrysler building. Now the Empire State is hiding. Oh, Captain, my Captain. Take it easy, right? Oh, it's warm and nice.
Just to have the story of the last stop.
Are we clear? Seems like we're clear. Thank you.
Thank you.
1886. Wow, that's an old building. You see that shade of green over there? That's my favorite shade of green. Yeah.
It's aged copper.
Yeah, aged copper green. I like aged copper. That's the only aged thing I like. Apart from whiskey. Whiskey, I also like
Aged
it.
cheese.
Depends. Depends. Yeah. Really close to my face. Not that close to my face. Further away from my face. Oh, another test. Maxed length of the selfie stick directly on us.
Does it come
Okay.
with a selfie stick?
Nope, that's my selfie stick. Oh, okay. It's actually good. When you're filming where you're going, you can see with this one. I don't think that I'm
So you
gonna.
see the stabilizer thing already now.
Right? It's not.
Ah, that's cool.
I'm shaking it like a. Okay, no. Okay. When I exaggerate, it happens. Bus. I mean, what am I gonna do? Do you think we would be able to get through the park?
I don't think so.
Wanna try?
Sure.
And it. Oh. Oh.
Makes sense.
Okay, I always considered this place a junkyard, but it doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, soccer cheese. You're right.
Welcome to park. I'm trying to follow up mode. Okay, it is working. It's actually not that bad. I'm gonna do a cinematic shot. Just look at, further away like that. Yeah, but don't walk, otherwise I can't do the shot.
Oh, okay.
Look somewhere where in a very charismatic fashion. You don't need the duck face, but okay. Ooh, Matrix. Ooh. On va marcher, on va marcher, on va marcher toute la journée. On va marcher. Okay, yeah, the dog just peed on the art and showed how tasteful all these sculptures are.
Yeah, take a picture.
Sure. Everyone's taking pictures. Ole, ole, ole. You're a bit further away. One more. Oh, oh. Ole, ole, ole. Here you go. Uh-huh. Faceless men stealing the mouths of everyone. Faceless men are dangerous.
Remember when they did the movie in the summer? Yeah. That's what they were doing.
If you move, I move.
I love my melatonin.
Yeah? I'm gonna need bleach.